This is demo 17 about the mirror tool. So you can mirror sketches, which is what I'm going to show you first. I'm going to go back into this sketch 3. You can mirror a sketch if you wanted to repeat this on the left side, make it look the same. And to do that, I could just select all the pieces that I wanted to mirror, like so. And I believe you can also highlight the pieces that you want to mirror, so then I can grab them all at once. And then you want to select a mirror line, which would be whatever you want to kind of fold your shape over. And then if you click apply and done, it will have your mirrored sketch. And then I can just select this middle line if I don't want that to be a part of the mirror. And so I want to show you how now I can create an extrusion. And I'm actually going to do something a little different with this one. I'm going to bring it up and then go show you a different part of the menu in extrude, which is that I can make this taper outward or inward. And so if I just start putting in numbers to test some things out, like let's say a 20-degree taper, that's kind of making it taper outward. I could also taper inward by doing a negative number, like say -20. But I'm going to stick with that outward taper of 20 and then say OK. And I can mirror this entire extrusion over to the bottom side of this box if I want to, which for some of you is going to be very useful for this spacecraft project. So to do this though, I have to have some line to fold over, which sometimes could be in my origin. It might be one of the planes that's available to me, such as this plane is going in the actually going in the correct direction. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, do right click visibility, but I need a work plane to be exactly halfway through this height of this box, otherwise the mirror isn't going to be exactly on the other side. And to do that, you can use Inventor to do some math for you. So I need to add a dimension of the height of this box. And I'm going to do that here because I want to, whoops, that didn't work. Let me try that again. I'm going to look at it from this side. So maybe I'll just start dimension from the top to the bottom and bring that dimension out here because I want to use this dimension for the work plane that I want to create. So I'm going to go back to the 3D model tab and then do a plane offset from this XY plane, and I'm going to make it be 3 divided by 2 because I know the height of the box is 3 now. I measured it, and then I want to make it halfway to the top. So I can put the math into this box. So I could say 3 divided by 2, and then that's where my work plane will start. And so this work plane is used to create my mirror of my feature here. So now I can say mirror on 3D model tab, which is over here, this button, where it looks like somebody's looking in the mirror at itself. And I first select the feature, which is this entire thing on the top, and then I need a mirror plane, which is what I just created with this work plane halfway up from the bottom. And then it's going to give me a preview, and if that looks reasonable, which it does, I can click OK. And that's how you mirror something from one side of an object to another.